Hey guys, so I've been missing from YouTube for a while because I just had a lot of work, but I have been writing. I have been writing the Sur-rons a lot. I just didn't have time to make videos. I went to the beach to get some sand riding in. It was really interesting. It was the first time riding the Sur-ron on sand, and surprisingly, it had enough power to have fun. It wasn't that fast, but we were having fun, and you know, just having equal amount of power with all your friends, it's a ton of fun. However, on the sand, the batteries were being drained so fast that every time we were taking a break, we were looking for cafes, restaurants to charge our batteries. Yeah, overall, it was super fun. And another thing that came up is that Sur-ron Korea actually contacted me to help them promote Sur-rons in Korea, which is pretty exciting. Because not a lot of people ride Sur-rons in Korea right now, so I was so happy to take part in that. And for the video that I filmed for the company, I teamed up with my friend who's actually a pro mountain biker and also a formal motocross champion in Korea, a national champ. So someone like him was the best candidate to show off what Sur-ron can do, having background in mountain biking and motocross, so it was perfect. And he came over and we adjusted the track so that he can jump better, turn better, because all the track it's made for me, which is I'm not very good. So we made the jumps a little bit bigger, a little longer, to make it more flashy for the video. Originally, this video was intended for the Sur-ron Korea official YouTube page, but I got the permission to share this video with you guys on my channel. So after you guys watch this video, please go over to the Sur-ron Korea official YouTube page and check out their video and like and comment on it for me. Yeah, so let me just show you what we filmed over the 2 days. Obviously, the guy is a lot better than I am, so he just makes everything look good. Without further ado, here it is.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it, success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes, the hoppers shifting on the maze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know this because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. But some family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, we got a problem. I ain't perfect, let them watch me. Elevating, got them knocks. Cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the house. And woo! Watch how I get ahead. Watch how I get ahead. Watch how I get ahead. Woo! Watch how I set it up. Bet you I shut it down. Watch how I get a win. I don't think they really wanna come. I get the one that got a finger run up in on a grenade.